Coronavirus is showing its adverse effect on our whole world. So, it becomes necessary for us to know about coronavirus. Virus which is spreading corona is SARS-CoV-2, which is also commonly known as coronavirus. So, let us look at the whole mechanism how this coronavirus affects our body and spreads from one person to another.
Zombie apocalypse.
How coronavirus affects us. Genetic material of this virus is RNA, that is ribonucleic acid. It has positive single-stranded RNA which has the capability to make protein. Our cell has basically two parts. One is nucleus and the other is cytoplasm. All genetic material of our cell is stored in the nucleus. This virus have a great capability that it can replicate its RNA, or we can say it can make several copies of RNA. That is, it can make several copies of itself when it is living in cytoplasm without even entering into nucleus. This is the major destructive part of virus. It makes several copies of itself in a very fast rate. There is one more major disadvantage of this virus, and that is it changes sequence of protein frequently. That means it can change its structure quite often. Earlier it used to infect only animals, but over time it changed, its protein structure changed, and now it is capable to infect humans too. So, major reason why this virus is having such an adverse effect are: the first reason is it grows very fast. It multiplies itself very fast. Second reason is it changes its sequence of protein frequently. Attack of virus. The basic structure of this virus contains the projection type structure at its outer surface, which gets entangled to ACE2 protein. ACE2 protein means angiotensin converting enzyme 2. Now, this ACE2 protein is mainly present on our lungs. This protein helps in controlling blood pressure of our body. So, the first thing that this virus do when it enters our body is that it binds with these ACE2 proteins. This basically works as lock and key function. Once this gets attached, it forms vesicles and start coming inside our cell. When it starts coming inside our cell, there is one component in our cell, that is lysosome. Lysosome mainly consists of acidic content. This lysosome attached to vesicle and try to dissolve the boundaries of the virus. It basically tries to dissolve the whole virus, but is only capable to dissolve the boundaries of the virus. And the RNA present in the virus becomes free, and that free RNA comes to cytoplasm of our cell. When this RNA comes to our cytoplasm, it uses ribosome of our cell. Ribosome is a protein making factory of our cell. This ribosome helps to replicate its protein, and this starts replicating the RNA of the virus in a very huge amount and in a very fast rate. This is known as hijacking of our cell. And this period, when the virus is establishing itself in the cell, is known as incubation period. The incubation period is the time between infection and the first symptom appearing. This incubation period varies from person to person, but it is normally 5 days on an average. How coronavirus is spread from one person to another person. When a COVID positive person coughs or sneezes, lakhs of droplets come out from the person at approximately 300 km/h speed, which have many coronavirus present in them. Nearby person which inhales these droplets, the coronavirus comes inside that person, and like this the chain goes on, and this coronavirus is spread to a large area. This virus may also get into our body when we touch a contaminated surface and then our face. Like this virus spreads. Now let us talk about vaccine of coronavirus. Our body has adaptive immune system which itself generates antibodies which sit on the ACE2 protein and prevents the connection between ACE2 and the virus. And this prevents the virus to come inside our cell. But now the question is, if our immune system is capable to do that, then why this virus is becoming so adverse? The reason is our adaptive immune system understands the virus and then make antibody, and this requires a lot of time. Till that, this virus spreads rapidly in our body. Researchers are trying to find the vaccine which can give the genome to our body so that whenever coronavirus enters into the body, our immune system will be having genetic material to produce antibody, and this will save the time due to which before spreading too much in our body, this virus can be killed. Researchers are working on this vaccine and soon we will get that vaccine. Why it shows symptoms? When our body is in process to kill these virus, a lot of waste material is generated that accumulate in the form of mucus. As this virus attacks on lungs, these mucus also accumulate inside our lung, which results into difficulty in breathing. Fever is also a symptom as our body try to kill this virus by increasing body temperature. So this was all about coronavirus, how it spreads and about its vaccine.
को शेट ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का से ठोक दीजिए 5,000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए।